If your iPhone screenshots don't look as bright or colorful as your actual screen, especially after updating to iOS 26, don't worry. By default, iOS supports HDR screenshots, but certain settings or app limitations might affect how they appear. Let's fix it step by step. First of all, go to Settings, then go to General. Find the setting called Screen Capture and then tap on it. And select HDR, High Dynamic Range, if it's available. This allows your iPhone screen to display HDR content correctly. Now, when you take a screenshot, it will be captured with full color and contrast if the app supports HDR. Like if I take a screenshot right now and save it to my gallery, now if I open up my Photos app and find the screenshot, you will see it on HDR. Well, it's not that noticeable through the camera, but you will clearly notice it when you try this out yourself. So good luck with that. So guys, if this video helps you out to take true HDR screenshots on iOS 26, hit that like button. Still not getting HDR results? Drop your iPhone model and issue in the comments. I'll try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.